Hey guys, are you having issues with automatic running of the plugin? So let me show you how to fix this. This might be caused by wp-cron not functioning on your website. So this can be replaced using the Newsomatic plugin. If you search in the main settings a section of the plugin for the secret word used for manual cron running. So if you search for this, you will find this input field, and here you can enter your own secret word which will be used for automatic running of your plugin on your website. So let us enter here a secret word, save settings, and after you save the settings you will get this URL. So this can be scheduled on your server cron and replace the wp-cron. So if you set this on your server cron, it will be automatically calling the plugin and importing in the plugin without further using the wp-cron, which is probably not functioning for you. So if you don't have access to server cron, then I can show you an alternative also in this case. So let us copy this URL and let us go to cronjob.org. I will link in this video's description with this website. And now click members, sign up here and go to cron jobs, and here you can create your own cron job that will call your URL automatically every 1 hours or 30 minutes, for example. And this will fire up the plugin and run automatic importing in it. Okay, so let's create the cron job, and here it is ready. It will automatically run at 14 today. Okay, so this is how to fix the automatic importing issue, and like this the Newsomatic plugin will provide you a special URL that can be used to call importing in it. Okay, so this is all for now. I hope you enjoy this content, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and have a great day. Bye bye.